Does your friend push you to become a better version of yourself, or they just drag you down? Ask this question to yourself. You must be able to identify who is your friend and who is not. Whatever you are struggling with your life, a true friend will always help you push through that situation. And who is not a true friend would make a fun of that situation, he would make a fun out of you, fun out of that situation, and would not help. He would just laugh that thing out. A person who do not value your emotion, your time, and do not provide value to your life, and instead of providing value, he takes away your precious time, energy, and value from your life. He is not your, I'm sorry to break it out to you, but he is not your true friend. He is a loser who want you to become a loser and to stay a loser with him. He don't want you to go ahead and grow. He will push you behind and make you to stay at his level. But if you try to break this and you go push further, he won't be friends with you anymore. He would envy you after that. And whatever you get in your life, he was your friend as long as you were broke, you were poor, you were a loser. He was your friend for that version of yourself. He is no more friends with you when you start growing, start seeing gains, your body become big and muscular. He won't be friends with you because he knew the previous you. He was friend with your previous you, not with the present developed and grown you. He doesn't value you anymore. Why is that? Ask yourself. You must enter monk mode where you have no distraction, you are completely antisocial, you are completely torn from the society, you don't care what's happening around the world, what war is going on, whose country is attacking who, where the fight is taking place. You don't care anything at all. You don't care anything at all about any of this shit. You only work on yourself every single day, over and over for at least 6 months to 1 year. This period will definitely change your life completely. It will take you from this ground level to this level. That is what is called monk mode, where you are completely 100% focused, totally distraction free, focused on the one thing that you want desperately in your life. By cutting all those useless distractions that take away focus from your life, remove them. Fucking remove them right now. Do not wait, just do it right away and start your monk mode right now, right fucking now, as soon as this video ends. If you want to beat the 90% of the competition, you need to do just these 3 things. First is wake up and go back to sleep at the same time. Second, work out every single day, no matter what. You must work out. And third is meditate. You must meditate every single day. These 3 things will change your life forever. And also, with a bonus point on top of that, you must maintain a healthy diet, as much healthy as you could possible. Start with just a little improvement every single day. Let's suppose if you are eating 5 kgs of junk food a day, bring it down to 3 kgs, then 2 kgs, then 1 kgs, and then totally 0. If you need to eradicate any addiction from your life, you don't need to go from 5 to just 0. Never go from 5 to just 0. You would just encourage your addiction much more. It would have much more power over you, and it would be very difficult for you to overcome that. But instead, what you need to do is reduce it step by step, just by making up baby steps every single time, from 5 to 4 to 3 to 2 to 1, just like that. When it reaches 0, you won't feel any urge for eating any kind of junk food whatsoever. In the same way, if you want to wake up in the early morning, what you need to do is, whenever you go back to sleep, just let's take for example, you wake up late in the night. Let us just say you go to sleep at around 2 a.m. and wake up at around 7, 8. Just make it 1. Just make it like you go to sleep around 1 a.m. for the next 2 days, then 12 a.m., then 11, then bring back to 10. And similarly, just change your waking time from 8 to 7 to 6 to 5 to 4. In this way, Good. When you change your sleeping cycle gradually, your body will become habitual to it and your body will adapt to this body clock. Your body will try to go to sleep at the same time and try to wake up at the same time also. By changing your body clock with just one hour, it will not affect you mentally or physically. Your body is designed such a way. Your body, your mind recognizes patterns. It works on your body works on the patterns that you put into it. The information that you put in your brain, your neuron, your nerve cells will arrange themselves in such a way that creates a pattern. It is much more easier to our body to follow certain patterns, certain rhythms instead of completely changing the way of life. So in this way, you could tune your body clock and wake up as you want. Your body could adapt to almost every single thing. It is up to you how you make your bodies act and react to certain situations which would lead you to your success journey. So always try to be focused, productive, and try to become a better version of yourself. This is me, Abhi, over and out.